Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to another episode of my videos. I trust you all are doing well. So today it's going to be a get ready with me look, a get ready with me video, precisely as described in the title. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this, my bang and my ponytail, and also how we derived this look. This video actually, it's precisely for those, me, I'm one of those that do not have hair in front, like my hairline, you see, on this part and this part. So this is more like a style that actually is it's good for those that do not have enough front line. So if you fall in this category, so this video, you would find this video really useful. So if you actually want to see how we went about or how we achieved this look, I would say do not go anywhere. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to hit on that subscribe button. Hit on the subscribe button, also on the notification bell, so that when the video comes up, you will get notified. Do not hesitate to give the video a thumbs up if you like what you've seen, and also share to everyone. Thank you so much, and let's get into it. Wait, first of all, what I'm going to be doing is, because my hair is all dry, I'm going to moisturize my hair using my detangler and anti-breakage push protection. Though I got this for my daughter, but I also use it for my hair because my hair is very hard. And afterwards, all I need to do now is just comb it out. Carefully comb it out so that you don't break the hair. Okay, now I already started applying my Eco Styling gel. This is what I'm using here. This is actually what I'm using. I would just apply the gel on the hair. And yeah. So in order to save us the time, I did this behind the scene. This is what it looks like at the back. I'm not done yet though, so but let's just keep applying the gel. Normally you could pat it in bits, you know, but me, I just do everything together. Like I hold a larger quantity and just apply and massage in the gel. In that way I save myself that time, you know, of patting, having to pat the hair. This right about now my hair is dried, but we'll just head up straight to doing our makeup. Yes.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it.
This is the hair we're going to be using. Actually, it's the Freetress Equal Pony Pop Plus Bang. So that's what we're going to be using for this look today, and it's a pretty much easy one because it came as a brand on its own, something you could just wear, stick on like this. So it's pretty much easy to use. All you need to do is cling it on to the ponytail you have, that's the packed hair, and you tidy it in. That's all. I personally, I like my ponytail to be right, not here, but like right behind, a little bit backward. Okay. Just take this round. For those of us that don't have edges, well, we're going to use this as the bang. Came with a clip, you know, all you simply need to do is clip in the bang and fine, that's all. So, and for these other parts that's a little bit scanty, all you simply need to do is get your, it could be anything at all, it could be your eye pencil, it could be your eyebrow gel. So, but what I'll be using right now is my gel, and I will just apply it scantily, my eyebrow liner. You see the difference? There's a lot of difference right now because that place is dark, like my natural hair. So you repeat the same thing on this other side. Eyes. So that's pretty much it, and yeah. There are several ways you can actually rock this look. Maybe you want to put a hairband or a scarf. Whichever way you want to rock it. You can put a hairband like a scarf here and just get this down a little bit, and let's see what the finished look will be. Okay guys, just give me one moment and we will change and I'll be right back. Yeah, so now I'm dressed up. So we are just going to do the finishing touches to the look, and this is what I'm going to be using for my lips. These are the colors I'm going to be using for my lips. So next I'm going to be using my other pencil. This is Zaron pencil, White Vine. Okay, so afterwards I'm just gonna use my Pupa gloss. I just blend them in. Now I will just use my Fenty powder, my setting powder in the shade of Honey, to set my face. That's the final setting of the face. Now I'll be using my Melani highlighter. I'll just use this to add glow to my look. In the same brush I used on this part, I'm just going to run it under my waterline. This is the look finally. Let me know what you think about the look, if you like this look, guys. I mean, this look is amazing. Give it a thumbs up, and once again, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't joined the family. Subscribe, and let's grow this platform together. And also, do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that when the video comes up, you get notified.